Good morning, YouTube. We are out here at the spot. We got Amanda Evans out here, Tim Brinson. It's freaking nuclear out here. Buckle, dude.
Time to go do work.
We're getting stuff in the mail daily. Today, we got our shower door, so let's check it out. Oh, hello there. Sick. Now I can fully finish the shower in the van, so stoked.
Neighbors are gnarly.
You've been going left out there. What is that about, dude?
I can go left now. It's not that I couldn't go left, I just didn't like to. You know what I mean? I just didn't like to. Because one time I had a freak accident where I went left and the board hit my elbow and my elbow hit my palm right into my nose and gave me a bloody nose and I was traumatized. So I just stopped going left for like years.
What can I say? Some of the best sessions happen when it's half a foot out there.
Some of the worst injuries happen when it's half a foot out
Yes,
there.
Amanda gets hurt the worst whenever it's half a foot, but stoked on that board swap. I've never done one of those. Felt super cool. Super slidey. Super rad.
I want to know why those freaking
We just got free bananas, dude. Free bananas.
Shout out Port City Produce.
Port City Produce is the best. Carolina Beach finally got a second grocery store, and we're going. So hold on to your socks. Let's see what this is about. Can't believe it. It actually happened.
No, that's Harris Teeter. This is something else.
Still, just for the fact there's a second grocery store.
It's pretty
Wow. Wow. What'd you think?
I don't even remember what we came here for because it's
Peanut butter and chips.
Okay.
Well, that was cool. Nice environment. A lot of the staple foods that we get though are more expensive. So that's kind of not good, but it was cool. So Tim just texted me and said, I'm going to get a pet jellyfish and name him Jelly Slater. What? Today's lunch is looking heavy.
You think they'll eat this? No.
Too sharp. So if you follow us on Insta, you already know what this is. This is coming your way in the mail. Wait, this is coming our way in the mail right now. Oh, crap. These are gonna be the sickest die cut stickers of all time. It is going down in here right now. Trim God Part 2. All the outlets are off the walls. Everything is off the walls. Living without walls. And we are getting this house painted. We are getting pictures of it taken. We are getting it rented. And it is going down, dude. Check out the El Cubbo, dude. Do the honors.
I don't know how to do it.
It just it goes facing down.
But like it only goes, that's as far as it goes.
I have been working so hard to get this shower valve in, dude. It was a challenge, to say the least. But I got it and did it, and it looks sick. It was so hard, dude. It was so hard to put in. Oh my god. It's just the way that I put it in, like, is not how they're normally put in homes. And also, I already had sheeting up, so it made it crazy hard, but... Alright, we are getting ready to test the shower. Wow.
Better?
Yeah.
Yay!
Look at that.
We have a shower.
Dude.
Oh my god.
This is crazy. Wow.